So this is the problem that I'm currently having with Media Monkey. When I go to play a song, it seems to delay for about 10 seconds at the start of the track before it actually gets into it, like this. And then it plays fine. If I go back to the start of the song, it then plays fine from the start. But if I double click it, it skips 10, 11 seconds, and this is the same with every track. No idea what's going on, no idea what's wrong. It's the exact same every time. I don't have crossfade on, I don't have auto DJ on. I turned off the smooth options here. No silence at the beginning end of the track. I've got hardware acceleration on. Yeah, so if anyone can help, thank you very much.